Hello and welcome back. My name's Pete Marshall, and this one is about, well, it's just a thought on being a warrior for your art. I like this sentiment. Being an artist in any field, you lay yourself open and you make yourself vulnerable. Hey, this is me, this is my stuff, this is what I do. That's not easy. A lot of us have this seed inside that at some time drives us or pushes us. We aspire to be artists, and in this aspiration, it makes us artists. I think that if we put in the work and we have the courage and the drive, then we really should wear that badge or fly that flag proudly. And I like to be part of this grand community of people who dare. Whether we have a large audience or it's just friends and family, it takes courage. It's not easy because we can't help but compare. We know we shouldn't. Hey, but now let's have a look at today's topic. So today I'm going to share some of the methods I use for adding collage elements. I use my computer and an inkjet printer and pretty much standard A4 paper. I print the elements in both black and white and in colour, but I prefer the black and white. I think it looks better, and besides we can add transparent coloured paint to bring back some colour if we wish. I'll print the elements in varying sizes. That way it's easy to find something that fits. And if I have to choose between something slightly larger or something on the smaller side, I will always go for the larger one. Now with hands and feet, I like to leave a dark area surrounding the image so that when I cut it out, I can leave slightly an edge. Sometimes I cut the whole thing out and use it as a block, as you can see here in this example. There we go. I use acrylic gel medium, which does look white, as you can see, but when it dries out entirely transparent. So let's have a quick look at that process. So here we are. Let's put a few elements onto this. I think I'm going to add a face in here. No, let's add a little flower down here. So, let's get my large brush, my acrylic gel. Once I've found the position, and I'm pretty sure about my position that I want it in, I'll lift it up, introduce liberal amount of gel, not being too careful with it, it'll dry transparent. I'll paste on top, lift up the other side, and paste underneath. I'll then paste directly on top again, covering the image. Don't worry about it, it dries transparent. If necessary, as I said, and there are air pockets, you can use a card to just smooth out any air bubbles. We could do the same with the flower, but we'll leave that till next time. So there we go. I'll see you next week. Bye.